You mean say they don't employ you?
Only you. But God looks at me and gave me the job. I'm starting work tomorrow.
Hey! So this one they employ now to employ you as what now?
Assistant manager.
Manager?
Exactly.
For which kind of company?
The oil company I told you.
You lie. If na oil company, I go die.
Hey, you die, yo. Yeah.
Why?
My name is Mr. Jojo Togo.
Jojo what?
Jojo Togo.
Togo. Togo is your name. Okay. So why here?
I was here yesterday for the interview. I was among the people selected to resume work today.
Jojo, who called you to resume work here?
Management.
It's not possible. See, haven't you heard of coronavirus?
What?
Coronavirus. See, the company is on shutdown for now. In fact, if you check all the companies here, they are all shut down for now. Yeah. So because of this disease, no company is employing any workers for now. So you just have to come back after 2 weeks. In 2 weeks' time, you have to check back.
But wait, the coronavirus. Can we work together?
You want to work with coronavirus? Hey, see this man, you want to die. See, coronavirus just eat you like ants. See, it's not a human being, it's a disease. You cannot work with coronavirus. See, I understand the hunger, but just be patient. Check back in 2 weeks' time.
Confusion everywhere. Churches are closing. I said, mosques are closing. Market, no marketplace. Nothing we can do. Everybody is crying.
Jojo, you know, the first one just start to work like this. The parents supposed to be very, very happy. This is why you did like this. What did they happen?
Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Something happened.
Something happened. What happened?
I reached there.
Yeah.
I met the security. He said that the company shut down for now. All the companies in Nigeria, that there is a disease called coronavirus that entered. That disease is killing everyone. Because of that, all the companies, the whole world is not going anywhere. That there is no movement. That he doesn't know when the company will resume work. I even pleaded with him for me to also work with the coronavirus. He said it's not a human being. That is a disease that is killing everyone. Even someone who, if you touch the person that is suffering from it, you will contact it.
Hey, which kind of story be this one they tell me now, Joe? Hey, you mean say, hey, this one when me say, at least God don't do us, at least better they come. Now this guy tell me, what do you call a Coro go come? Which one, what be this Coro? What be this Corona when come this kind period now? Which kind of be on this one now? Which kind of disease be this one that they talk? So they shut down everywhere because of Coro. Who be this kind of Coro when shut down everything for Nigeria? For everywhere, for the whole world? Coro? Who be this Coro? Who be this Coro?
Everybody's confusion,
Hey!
including the government.
Why be saying at this kind of time, man, Coro will choose to come here? Hey! Coro. Why be saying this kind of time, Coro?
Waiting we do you. Everybody are dying. Suffer.